Alrighty, good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get right into it. Oh shit, meta's still running. Let's see. How we doing, meta? How we doing? Are we at 1000% yet? We might be. Outside of meta, I'm not gonna cap. I got cooked. I got cooked. But meta actually has us still green. Meta's the only reason why I'm green. Meta is literally the only reason why I'm green right now. That's insane. We're closing out this one contract right now for. Are we now screenshotting? 800%. All right, so the main port's still chilling. Like the main port, we're green because of meta. Um, the rest of my ports, on the other hand, my swing port kind of got cooked. My swing port got cooked badly actually. If I combine all my accounts together, what are we at? In this account, yeah, with all of my accounts right now, I'm still down like 1,000, 1,100, not like 1,100. Let's see if we can get that on SPX. Okay, this song is terrible. All right. Honestly, sounds pretty crazy, but we could probably still jump in meta right now. Actually, I was looking at AMD as well. We'll take the scalp. I'll take a scalp on AMD over meta. Actually, let me look at both. Meta wants like 664, but AMD also wants more upside. I'll take AMD. Keep a really tight stop loss. All right, we're in some AMD calls. Holy shit, what's going on? Let's open AMD. of the night. Okay. Don't got room for no retracement right now. We just took a trim here at like 4. All right, we're slowly getting back green. Slowly getting back green. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. I took that on pretty much my main account. It's my main day trading account on Charles Schwab. Took that on Tasty Trades and took it on Surge Options for you guys. Okay, trading 3 different accounts is actually pretty damn hard right now. I could give a damn about the Surge Options account right now. We're about to trim again. I'm not going to trim on Surge Options, but we're about to trim on my Thinkorswim account, Charles Schwab. And I kind of need this shit to run to like 268 on the Tasty Trade account. Tasty Trade account, I'm not touching this until it gets a high today. And I guess we could have gotten into meta as well. I'm not gonna deal with any crazy pullback on this either. Like if we pull back pretty aggressively, I will just cut this. It's kind of no point. Especially well with trading with surge options, there's no point with dealing with unnecessary retracement just because you do have a trailing drawdown. I'm not sure if you're aware of that or not, but yeah, your drawdown is trailing at all times. So every second that it goes up, and let's just say, hey, for an example, we're just up like 150, I think, on these calls, right? If it pushes back up here to that last pretty much 5-minute high, we're up like 150. So technically speaking, my watermark right now is like 350. And the fact is we pulled back $100, so I'd be down like 100 right now. Yeah, I'm down like 100. This goes back to break even. I'll be down like 150, technically speaking. As dumb as that sounds, yes, it sounds pretty stupid. Um, but that's the rules, I guess. All right, what do you want to do? 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 AMD? Want to push higher? I really don't know what the hell NQ is doing. I haven't really looked at that today. And Meta is just, we should be up 1,000% by now. Okay, so NQ just shifted bullish as well, which is ideally what we want to see. Nah, not there yet on Meta. Not there yet. This last contract has a shittier fill. This last contract was filled at 5.35. So this last contract we're only at 834%. Come on, Meta, or not Meta, AMD. Going the wrong direction. NQ's barely even pulling back. What's the ES? We're about to whip up some SPX trades as well here. Alright, so we're just gonna close this on the Surge account. If it lets me. Not really sure what's going on. No point in letting that go red. Switch account to 31. All right, let's see what we could cook up here with SPX. SPX, SPX. Where's ES? ES, ES, ES. Where's ES? There's ES. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right, let me zoom out real quick. Let's lock in, let's lock in, let's lock in, ladies and gentlemen, let's lock in. All right, 5 minute. What are we doing? That's old. All right, let me actually just fix all this now. Get some accurate levels here for us. All right, so we never actually filled that gap on ES, but we do got buy side up here. More buy side up here. And we pretty much got relative equal lows at low today. It's very, very important you label your types of liquidity targets because yes, buy side liquidity is important, but relative equal lows is pretty much a stronger form of liquidity. So that's why I always label it with a completely different looking line, just to put emphasis on the importance of it being relative equal lows. All right, so ASTS didn't do it. All right, cool. Keep ASTS on watch. We have those relative equal highs at 120. All right, so right now we are retesting this hourly range. All right, so retesting this hourly range. Also about to retest this 5 minute range as well. Just based on that, pretty much want to see if buyers do want to hold this range. Likely we'll probably test daily opens like 2 points lower than where we currently are. And then once we retest daily open, kind of want to see how the 15-second time frame reacts to it. Whether buyers step in or not. If buyers do step in, then definitely we do want to take some longs. I personally couldn't short this until I see a close below 690 or 936. Oh. And I do have a meeting with Alertsify at 10:45, so yeah, we'll see how that meeting goes. You guys will be able to basically copy trade exactly my trades through Alertify. The moment I take a trade, it's pretty much going to alert it straight to your broker, or I guess straight to your Alertify. And then I guess you can enter on your broker, or it might take it automatically. I don't really know. I think it might actually take it automatically if I'm not mistaken. So basically, every single trade I take, you'll be able to take. Um, Now I do want to know like how it works in terms of like the accounts because I definitely have like multiple accounts. So that's gonna be interesting. If we could copy trade all the accounts, would I have like a swing channel? Would I have like a day trading channel? Would I have an SPX channel? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what enhanced market has to say. So I do have to hop up here at 10:45. Let me actually see if he's gonna send me a link or something. I don't like Salesforce if we can break above 230. See much like that. Good morning, Tris. How we doing, brother? How we doing? Who's out there for me? Who's out there for me? Watching SPX here. Watching SPX, watching SPX. Oh, yeah. Somebody loves me in the building. Somebody loves me in the building. In the summer. You will stab at 2 contracts. I'm in calls, right? I think I'm in calls. Who really loves me? Can this thing work? Come on. Pretty much need to see a break above these highs. If we can break above those highs, I'll pretty much add. You said Rocket Lab? Rocket Lab calls? Iffy. Oh, this is not going to be a good close if we close like this. Yeah, it's not going to be a good close. I'm likely about to get stopped out. We'll see. Pretty much in order for me to add, I would need to see it close above 639 or 69.39. Holy. Fuck, I got dyslexia right now. Yeah. Let's see if we can break above this level. 69.39. Break above this level. Pretty much we'll look to add. Massive up at adjust. I'm gonna adjust. I double it back. This is what I do when it comes to SPX, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep pumping though. Let's keep pumping. Oh wait, I'm 30%. Wanted to add like down here to break above 69.40. Adding up here is kind of dumb. But hey, we're at 52%. I think I need to make like 500 on this account if I'm not mistaken. I'm 69%. Trim some. Trim some here. I'm about to take this up to 69.51. We just trimmed here at 4.4. And we do this every day, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are seeing the execution. You see how I'm able to call this shit long before it happens, execute long before it happens. I hope you guys are learning something. I clearly said, what are we doing? We're holding my hourly range. Where's my cursor? We're holding my hourly range, right here. We're holding the 5-minute range. We go long. That's it. I'll probably use this trade example for the trade recaps today. I hope you guys are learning something from those. I don't know. Nobody's commenting, so I don't hear feedback. And when I don't hear feedback, I automatically take that as nobody cares. So please let me know. Cause I want you tonight, tonight. I want you. You just can't ignore. You want more. Girls on the floor, looking for what they're working for. Just one call away. 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 Okay. Uh-huh. I really don't have much room on or drawdown on this account. I don't think so. Like if this shit goes to like plus 100, I high key gotta close that. You know your combinations. Just one call away. Just one call away. Alright, I got a close this. I would literally look to re-enter. I can't deal with this retracement on this account. I know for a fact my buffer is already down. Just one call away. Why did you join the meeting? What's that? Alrighty, alrighty. Let's go ahead and jump back in these again. And it's kind of dumb when you're trading on Surge, but this is actually kind of how you have to trade if you know you're about to deal with retracement. You can't deal with too much retracement on these accounts just because of the buffering zone. So I am pretty much gonna probably take these. Let me also fix the buffering because that shouldn't be happening. Alright, that should have fixed some things. Oh, I know why it's buffering. Ah, I have a whole. I have my editing software open as well. So that makes sense why it's buffering. Okay. Uh, yeah, guys, I'll be back on my desktop pretty soon. I'd say within the next like 3 to 4 days, I think. Pretty much just got one last trip to pretty much move everything from Miami to Atlanta. And yeah, then I'll pretty much set everything up. But for now, kind of in the process of moving, so that's the main reason why I'm just using my MacBook. But yeah, I think it should be fixed now, hopefully. What's Rocket Lab? Rocket Lab call trigger. Hell of a call out. Hell of a call out. Hell of a call out, Falcon. Hell of a call out. You also call that ASTS. Let's see. Did we jump in this too, Falcon? Yes, no, maybe so. Too late for Rocket Lab. Damn. Rocket Lab money would have been nice right now. Would have been nice. We'll see if this Silver Bullet wants to play out. Definitely looks like it should play out today. Actually, is it the Silver Bullet? Yeah, that's the Silver Bullet. Yeah. So we'll see if this 5 minutes for bag gap wants to hold. Actually, I could drop a YouTube video on that. I don't think I got a YouTube video on the Silver Bullet. We're gonna work on a lot of YouTube video for you guys this weekend. So we could throw in some educational content with the trade recaps. So you guys are learning the concepts that I trade. Honestly, you should be learning the concepts as well in live. But yeah, go more in depth in some YouTube videos. Is the stream still buffering? I'm not 100% sure how much Alertsify exactly is, but we will see after this meeting with Enhanced. It doesn't say it's buffering anymore. It says 0 dropped frames. Let me know. Is it still buffering? Yes, no, maybe so. I guess I'll pull it up on my phone. Holy. Okay. Um, hmm.